In this video, we shall be running how to conduct summary statistics in Stata. How to conduct summary statistics in Stata. An important thing to note is that we shall be using the data named auto data in sample data that is stored in Stata. So we shall be using the sample data that is stored in Stata, and the specific data that we should be using is called auto data. So we shall be learning several things when we are conducting the summary statistics. And the first one is the basic summary statistics of all variables, whereby we use the summary command, the summarize command. Then we shall also be running the summary of specific variables, maybe the summary of two variables, price and MPG. Then we shall also be running how to conduct a detailed summary statistics, whereby that summary statistics contains the percentiles and the distribution metrics. In this case, for instance, if you want to conduct the summary statistics of price, you write the code summarize and then the variable, and then you write comma, and then you write the word detail, so that now you can have the detailed summary statistics. And then the last one will be to summarize by groups, to summarize or how to do a summary statistics in different categories or in different groups. For instance, you can write by foreign, then you sort, and then you summarize price, whereby now in this case you are categorizing in the groups of foreign variable. You are sorting in foreign variables, or in the categories of the variable foreign, and then you are summarizing price. So let us go to Stata and we'll see how do we conduct summary statistics of the four types of statistics. So when then we come here to Stata, so you can see this data is clear, it is new, it has no data installed. So what we do is that we come to file, we go to example datasets, and we use the example datasets, which we said it is called auto data. So we click use, and then when we click use that dataset, you can see here the data has actually been installed in Stata. You can see all the variables that are contained in that Stata. And the first summary statistics that we said we shall be looking is the basic summary statistics, whereby you look at the summary statistics of all variables. So what you need to do here is just write the word summarize, and then you click enter. So when you write the word summarize, this command summarizes all the variables in that data. So we have all these variables. So you can see the first one is make, the last one is foreign, which is this one. The first one is make, and the last one is foreign. And then you can see the summary statistics in terms of number of observation, mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. And then the second category of summary statistics is to summarize specific variables. So in this case, remember, we can just write the word sum. We don't have to write the full word summarize. We can just write a short form sum, and then you can summarize price and MPG. So you just need to see the summary statistics of the two variables, then we click enter, and then you can see the summary statistics of only these two variables, and then the third category of summary statistics is whereby we want to see a detailed summary statistics. So in this case, we can just write sum, then the variable is price, then you write comma, and then you write the word detail. So this one gives a detailed summary statistics, and you can see actually the output is actually more as compared to the summary statistics that we had done earlier. So you can see there is percentiles, 1%, 5 percentiles, 10 percentile, all the way up to 99 percentiles. There's also the smallest, there is also the largest, then there is number of observations, sum of weight, mean, standard deviation, variance. Remember the previous one did not have a variance. In this case we have a variance, then the skewness, and then the kurtosis. Yeah, so this one gives a detailed summary statistics of the variables that you are looking at. And then we go and look at the last one. The last one, we said that we are going to look at the summary by group, whereby we summarize a variable by the group of another variable. So in this case, we may need first of all to explore the data that we have. So if we can click here, we click the data editor, then we can see the variables that we have. This one is make, this one is price, is numeric, mpg is numeric, this one is another one, this one is headroom. So you can see all the variables that we have. But if you look closely, you can see that this foreign variable has two categories. It has either foreign or domestic. So we can create a group of two. This variable has two groups, the domestic and the foreign, the domestic and the foreign. So what we do here is that we say by foreign by foreign by foreign, then we write sort, and then we write summarize another variable like price. So what you are saying in this command is that you sort by foreign, and then you summarize price, and then you click enter. So what you will see is that we have one output with the category of domestic, and another output with the category of foreign. Remember we said that foreign has two categories, either domestic or foreign. So what we have done is that we have summarized price based on the domestic foreign category, and then you have also summarized price based on the foreign category. So we have two categories, either domestic and foreign. So the prices under domestic category, we have summarized it. We have found the number of observations. For instance, the number of observations, the number of prices observations under domestic is 52, where that of foreign is 22. And then we have calculated the summary statistics of each categories of the foreign variable. So that is how we do a summary statistics, or the different ways we can do summary statistics in Stata. So thank you so much. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, and also in the next video we shall do something interesting. Make sure to check the next video. Thank you.